guys, it's Daisy here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will unbox my Luminarc baking dish that you can use for baking and serve to the table. And hopefully this video will help for you. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Keep watching, guys. So this one, guys, let's open it and we'll see how it looks like. This is known as very light baking dish, and what's good this one is you can serve it right away. So this is the receipt. Four quarters, I think. This is the 4/4 size. It's made in France. If you can see that. Look, ideal for cook and cold dishes. Easy to use from oven to table. There's the instruction. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, microwave safe. So there's the instruction here. You can bake it for 250 Celsius in the like 475 Fahrenheit. Easy to clean, non-porous. What is that non-porous? Food safe, easy to clean, heat resistant, oven safe, and microwave safe. So this is it, guys. It's so good, this one. It's very lightweight. See, when you're washing it, it's not hurting your arms to wash it. And I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond, and this is not sponsored with this store, guys, but I just want to show you. And if you like to purchase this one, there's a Bed & Bath, because some other stores, they're out of stock with this. So anyway, it's good. I love this product. It's so lightweight, easy to clean, from oven to serve in the table. So there's the instruction. So microwave use, traditional oven, in the dishwasher, fridge, freezer, and on the stove top. Oh, really? And on the stove top? Electric vitro-gas induction. Do not use. Okay. So, do not use. So, direct from freezer to oven. Do not use. Not dishes directly from the oven to on a wet, cold surface. Do not use. Cold liquids in hot dishes. Do not use. So, guys, you can read the instruction here. What is the recommendation? You can check it out, guys. It's very lightweight and it's very nice. I love it. Lightweight. Okay, so this one included in the box. So you can properly remove this. So this one, guys, one Luminarc 1.05 quarts, $16.99 Canadian dollars. And one Luminarc Smart 2.1 quarts, $18.49. And one 3.2 quarts for $17.59. So that's all. I received the other one already as I video this. And then I have this. I bought it at Bed Bath & Beyond. They have Bye Bye Baby too if you need some baby stuff. So, and it's not a sponsor with this brand. I just want to show you how this one really nice and really good for baking and to serving. Okay, so let's open this. They wrap it very nicely with this one. I hope it's not broken. This one is look, hopefully, but this is how it looks like. It's the 26 by 26 cm, 2 liters. So this is 2.1 quarts, and this is for like bake, extra light, extra resistant oven glass bake, and made in France. As I have the other one too. Easy to use from oven to table, and it's very nice, guys. It's 250 Celsius and 475 Fahrenheit. So you can use it in the oven and to serve. This is the 1.05. So if you reheat food, like small food amount, the small oven you have, same thing, extra light, extra resistant, oven glass, 250 Celsius and 475 Fahrenheit, and easy to use from oven to table. See, very easy to clean, easy to handle, easy to restore. So this is the brand, guys, Luminarc, made in France. I really like this one. It's so light. It's not like hard to wash when you wash it. I'll attach the video when I use this one. My 3.2 Luminarc baking dish or server dish too. There you go, guys. I've been waiting for this. Let's open it. Guys, this is it. Finally, it's 29 by 29 cm, so 3.1 liter. So it can fit here, like you can bake something like this, meat, fish. So it said Everyday Strong. It's the same brand, guys. Luminarc, made in France. So this is bigger than I have. I ordered this one before, but anyway, it's a long story. So microwave safe. It's the same thing. It's stackable, so you can stack up the small one, which is great for when you put it away. Same. But this one, it's more a higher Fahrenheit. You can bake it. You can. It's broiler safe too. So it said here 550 Fahrenheit and 285 Celsius. So which is good. So you can broil it, microwave it, and everything. So it said bakery belt to meet your needs. So as what I'm saying, you can bake and ready to serve in the table. Inches of this one is 11.25 by 11.25, 29 by 29 cm. So that's it, guys. This is the one that I've been waiting for. And thank you for watching and supporting my channel. See you in my next one.